morning, YouTube. Guys, welcome back to the second episode. As promised, we are outside next to the sea, right? So stick around, stay tuned, because I'm going to take you some awesome places. And of course, we're gonna talk trading next to the sea. We are going to get ready for the New York session open, and we are going to trade the NASDAQ index together, going to share tips, tricks, and of course, we are going to answer some questions I received on my Instagram, right? So stick around, stay tuned, and let's do it. Right, guys, so our first stop and coffee break, of course, and I'm going to answer some questions. The first one is, how do you maintain emotional control while trading? Right, it's very important, very good question, as it is crucial to keep in control your emotions. Okay, you can't eliminate however we wish to eliminate, and to trade without emotions, however, it is just impossible, right? But we can reach a level when we can control our emotions. And how do we do that? We must have a proper, clear plan for entering and exiting the trade, right? And our plan should include a risk tolerance, proper risk management, and of course, proper position sizing, right? So all these causes emotions, right? If you trade with higher size, bigger position than that your account can handle, of course you are going to feel more emotional because the loss is going to be big, right? It is also very important to learn to walk away, all right? Put rules to yourself. If you reach a daily loss limit, put a daily loss limit, and if you reach that, you just have to walk away and come back on another day when the market is different and there are different opportunities. The next very important thing is to avoid over trading and learn to take breaks. Okay, even if it's a winning trade or a losing trade, you have to take break. So by the way, we are at Aphrodite birthplace. Okay, the mythology says if you swim around this rock, you will receive eternal beauty. But we don't want just beauty, we want money, of course. So I'm calling out Aphrodite, the goddess of the beauty, to help us with our key levels and all the Greek gods together. So the next one, guys, what qualities a successful trader should have, or what qualities you should have to be a successful trader? So in my opinion, fast decision taking is the most important, all right? You cannot be stubborn in this game, right? You have to accept when you are proved wrong, and you have to learn from your mistakes. But above all, I believe discipline and patience are the most important, right? The ability to stay focused and disciplined under pressure, right? So these are the most important, and of course, adapt to different market conditions and someone who has risk management skills, right? So let's continue our journey and see you at the next stop. Right, just met some awesome people from the Netherlands, and I thought I will surprise my friend Jasper, who is living in Netherlands, and we used to trade together 5 years ago. We used to smash the penny stocks, right? So Jasper, this is for you. Hi Jasper, hope you're doing well. This is for you, my friend. I found some amazing people from the Netherlands, from your home country. They are in Cyprus, visiting Cyprus, and I'm going to ask them how they like it. Hi, sir. How are you doing today?
Okay,
How do you like Cyprus?
fantastic.
This is the first time you are here?
Yeah, it's first time.
Are you planning to visit all the island?
We're going to take a tour across the island.
All right. And how do you like it so far?
Yeah, it's good. Nice weather, good people.
All right. Cheers, Jasper. Take care. Right, guys, not gonna lie, it's too hot today, but we are going to go further. We are at another place and going further with the questions. Trader asking, how do you combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis? Okay, so basically what is technical analysis? Is finding the trend, understanding the trend of the market, learning the candlestick formations, and identifying potential direction of the market. Fundamental analysis, of course, goes deeper, okay, basically analyzing companies' performance, balance sheets, right, earning reports, and of course, other economic data, right, such as CPI, PPI, and so on, right? So basically, how do you combine these two? Always have to check what's the market reaction on the data, right? So basically, based on the fundamental analysis, you get the technical analysis, right? So, for example, if comes out a positive CPI, all right, first you have to make sure how the market reacts, right? Because it might dip and push back up on the positive data, since you have no idea where traders or where big money wants to get in, take part of the move. You can base only if there is a positive data that is going to shoot up the market. All right, you have to wait for the market reaction, and based on that, you have to identify the potential direction of the market. Right, so always you have to keep your eyes on the forexfactory.com for the upcoming data release. Okay, you have to keep your eyes on the news, of course, and you have to put it together. All right, so just to add on the previous one, okay, a single stock, if have a strong weight, for example, in the NASDAQ index, right, let's take NVIDIA, right, which is make a company. If there is a positive earning report, that stock alone can move the whole index because it has a huge impact. It has a huge weight in the index, right? So let's say we are trading the NASDAQ index and we have to check which has the most weight in the index. For example, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, these has the most weight. So their earning reports will impact the price, all right? We are not interested in those earning reports, those stocks that has very small weight in the index. That's the office today, guys. Let's not pull the time. 35 minutes left until the New York session open. We are going to jump into computer, finding those potential turning points on the NASDAQ index, and we are going to take a trade together, right? So let's do it. Right, guys, so as we said, we are going to find the potential turning points, the key levels. So, right, we should look for trade opportunities today. Let's get right into it. We are going to the weekly chart first, right? So first we are interested about the weekly low, which is 18,388. That level 89 is going to be our level. The weekly high, right, which is right there. Previous week close, which is 18,530, right? We are interested about the high of this candle, which is 673, right there, right? So now we are going to the daily chart. Our daily candle right now, it looks bearish. However, as you can see, this seems like a bottom, right? There is a low, a higher low, and retraced back this candle and created another higher low. So we are interested about this low of the day. We are interested about this high. Okay, and of course the open price right there. Okay, you can see the open, the high, and the low, right? So that's all what we're interested on the daily, right? And of course the shape of the candle. Right now it seems that wants to push up, is still bearish. However, it breaches the open price, it might turn strong bullish, as we said. We're gonna go to the hourly chart and double check our key levels. Right, so let's go to the 5-minute chart. What do we see here? We have this low right here, 385, 395. As we said, we are going to give 10 points each key level, right? So that's our first support, the lowest support. Okay, we are going to mark with the rectangle right there. Then we have the 465, right? 465 with 475 is going to be the second key level. We have the 520 area with 510, and of course we have to keep in mind the 500 run number. We are not going to mark, but it's a psychological key level and we have to keep in mind. Alright guys, so these are the key levels today where we are going to look for trade opportunities. As we said, at supports we are looking to long, at resistances we are looking to short. If the support breaks, retest, rejects, we are looking to take short. If the resistance breaks out and holds, we are looking for a long opportunity, right? So let's not put the time. I'm going to share with the Telegram channel. We are a little bit late today because I was recording, right? But we are still 15 minutes until the New York session open, and we're gonna wait to take a trade together, right? 1-2 contracts, and you have the key levels. It doesn't mean you should not adjust the plan. As price action forms, as market structure forms, you should always adjust your plan, right? And new key levels might appear, new ideas, and of course you have to follow the momentum, very important. Right guys, so key level shared on the Telegram channel, and I also said that my focus is on 615, 625 key level, either for a rejection, for a short opportunity, or a breakout and hold. Of course we have to make sure there is bullish momentum, it breaks out, to take a long position. So before every session you have to check the news. All right, today let's say we have the job openings, okay, on the NASDAQ. You can read about here the number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. This might cause volatility on the market, so you have to be careful with your positions, right? Right guys, 1 minute left until the open, and I'm going to prepare one contract, 30 points stop loss. We're gonna trade with a single contract. If it goes well, I'm going to add some more, alright? But the purpose of this video is not profit sharing, it is to show you how you can trade, to copy the style. Market just opened right now, guys. Right, we must be patient, right? And we are going to wait until it hits the key level. Right, we are not interested to jump in anywhere else. We want to see how the price behaves at this area. Right, in case reaches this key level first, we are looking for a bounce, for a pullback to take a long position. If breaks, we are going to short it further down. We are not going to enter in the middle of the key areas. Alright, it couldn't reach our key level, so you don't need to worry if it doesn't reach the key level and you don't enter. Okay, it's going to come another opportunity. I'm going to get back to you as soon as we are ready to take any trade. Right, so there is the data release, guys. As you can see, price got choppy. There is the push into our key level. Let's see what's going to happen here. Right, let's see a retest of our key level, and we are going to short. Right guys, I'm going to sell here as shows rejection at our key level, and if goes well we are going to add more, so we are safe below our key level for now, and if case pushes above we are looking to long. Right, let's see in the next candle if we could take down to add some more. Right, I'm going to add one more here, guys. Right, now let's see what we can take out of this trade. And there it goes. I will add one more here and one more. Okay, so we are 50 bucks up, 60. There it goes, 100 bucks. And I'm going to start covering, guys. If we could get a nice flash to the downside, come on. There is nice. Okay. We can leave a runner always if we are with more contracts, okay, but it's getting too extended, so on the next candle is going to pull back up, and I sold everything. Right, so that's basically how we made $120, okay. Just as you could see, we were patient, we watched the price action. Yes, it could go lower, obviously it could go lower, but in this case you can set your stop loss to your entry, and of course you have to take some profit out. Can't let a good trade turn into loss. I shared in the Telegram channel that looking for 615, 625. As you can see, it rejected exactly our key area. We took advantage of it and we closed our profit. So that's all for today, guys. I'm not going to take other trade today. I'm going to look into it when I get home. All right, before market close. I suggest you do not over trade. Take a couple of trades at the key areas, lock profits, and keep repeating. Right, guys, until food comes, I'm going to answer some more of your questions. Right, so I got a question: what books do I suggest? So basically, guys, I read many books about trading, technical analysis, psychology, everything you can imagine. However, I'm going to suggest you two books that helped me to develop my trading skills. One of them is Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone, and Alexander Erden, Trading for a Living. All right, so these two books are a must read. Right, the next one is about scalping the stock market, scalping indices, or scalping stocks or any assets. Right, the trading style we use on this channel is based on key levels, and you can use as scalping. Right, so you can scalp at the key levels, the bounce and the rejection, fast in, fast out. All right, or a breakout scalping. However, in my opinion, you should learn proper trading instead of scalping, because under the scalping, you are going to overtrade and destroy your account. Right, guys, I'm going for a swim to cool down this sunburn. Okay, and we are going to close the day with a beautiful sunset in Paphos. All right, so stay tuned. Right, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it so far, smash the like button and see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.